there's this great product from Living in a Bubble that just totally ventilates your car, and it's installed in about 2 minutes.
We came across the best magnetic fly screen in the market from Living in a Bubble. The fly screen comes in a cute little bag and it's super easy to put up. It takes less than 2 minutes.
Tell you what, we went about 2 months traveling without having fly screens for our doors, and we didn't realize what we were missing out on.
What's different about these screens? Number one, the material is better. It's a more flexible nylon, and the concept is they hang more loosely. You can still see out just fine, but we highly recommend these screens, and I think you'll be quite happy with this.
Living in a Bubble magnetic fly screens come in this super convenient zippered pouch. They're so simple to install.
I'd say that's pretty easy. Nice. And now it's supposed to be even easier to take down. Very nice.
This rear door screen from Living in a Bubble that has changed the way I hang out in my van. Anyone that does any sort of regular van camping, you know that it can get really hot and bugs can get really bad. This fixes all of that. You won't ever have to worry about the screen falling down because the magnets are super strong.
I've been using these for about 4 or 5 days now, and it is unbelievable the difference it makes just being able to have that airflow without having to worry about the flies or the mozzies getting in, because as you can see where we are at the moment, right on the Murray River, there is flies and there is mosquitoes. So absolutely love these.
Also zippers right here, which make it really easy if you're trying to get something on top of the bed, or if you need to go into the garage. You don't have to take the entire thing down, which is great.
New Living in a Bubble screens, we love them. Easy to put up, easy to take down. And
love this because it's super easy to install. Shout out to Living in a Bubble, let's go.
It's that easy. Living in a Bubble.